Grammar conversations. Conversation 1. Days of the week.
What days do you work?
I work Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I don't work Wednesday.
Wow, that is a nice schedule.
Yeah, but I sometimes work on Saturday. What about you?
I work Monday to Friday.
Nice, you have weekends off.
Yes, I never work on Saturday or Sunday. When is the party?
The party is on Saturday.
Ooh, I have a game on Saturday.
Oh, that's too bad.
I am only free on Sunday.
Sorry. On Sunday I am busy.
What days do you have English class?
I have class on Monday and Thursday.
When do you have math class?
I have maths class every day.
Ooh, what about history class?
I have history class on Wednesday.
Wow, you have a busy schedule.
I know. When do you play soccer?
I play on Tuesday and Friday nights.
Nice. I only play on the weekends.
Really? Can I play with you?
Yes, we play on Saturday and Sunday at the park at 10.
Great. See you this weekend.
See you then. Conversation 2. Object pronouns.
Did you call me?
Yes, I called you. Can you help me today?
Sure. What can I do for you?
Can you take me to school?
Okay, I can pick you up at 10.
Great. See you then.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sue.
Do you talk to her every day?
Yes, I see her at school. I always meet her for lunch.
Oh, why do you like her?
She is nice and funny. She makes me laugh.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Wilson. I like him a lot.
Why do you like him?
Well, he is nice and he always helps me with my homework.
He sounds nice.
He is. We all love him.
Do you have my keys?
No. I put them on the table.
Great. I see them. What about my wallet?
I think you set it on the counter.
Really, I don't see it.
Well, I'll help you. One of us will find it. Conversation 3. Ordinals.
When is your birthday?
It is October 18th. When is your birthday?
It is May 5th.
Oh, my sister's birthday is in May.
Oh, what day?
May 11th.
When is your vacation?
It is from the 8th to the 12th. And you?
It is from the 9th to the 15th.
Wow, so lucky. I work on the 13th.
Yeah, I am lucky.
Do you start work on the 16th?
Yes, I start work on the 16th. Excuse me, where are the books?
The books are on the 5th floor.
5th floor. Got it. And where are the sporting goods?
Sporting goods are on the 3rd floor.
3rd floor. Great. And the restrooms?
They are on the 1st, 2nd, 4th, and 6th floors.
Great. Thanks so much.
My pleasure.
What do you have first period?
I have math. And you?
I have English. What about second period?
I have PE. What about you?
I have history class.
What do you have third period?
I have art class.
Really? I have art class third period, too. Conversation 4. Past tense.
What did you do yesterday?
Nothing much. I just stayed at home and cleaned the house.
How boring.
Yeah, it was. And you? What did you do?
I drove to the mountains and went hiking.
That sounds fun.
It was. I had a great time. Did you do anything this weekend?
I did. I took the train to the city and met my friend.
Oh, yeah? What did you do?
We had lunch and did some shopping.
Did you buy anything?
No, I didn't. I just went window shopping. I'm trying to save money.
Me too. How was your day?
Terrible. I was so busy.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah, we were so busy at lunch. One person called in sick, so we were short-staffed.
That's no good. How did you manage?
The boss came in and helped us.
Did you talk to Bob?
I did. He said he was sorry.
What did he say?
He said he didn't mean to get mad at you.
Well, he did. He made me cry.
I know. But he is really sorry about it. Conversation 5. Prepositions.
Where is the hotel?
It is downtown. It is near the park.
Is it near the museum?
Yes, the museum is across from the hotel and the park.
That is a good location.
Yes, and the mall is nearby too.
Where do you live?
I live in the east side of town.
Are you near the university?
Yes, it is not far away.
Are you near the beach?
Yes, I live on the beach actually.
Where is the mall?
It is next to the train station.
Where is the cafe?
It is across from the train station.
And where is the nearest gym?
There is one in the mall on the second floor.
Does your town have a language school?
Yes, there is one on a street.
Where on a street?
It is between the bank and the post office.
Oh, that is close.
Yes, it is only 5 minutes away. Conversation 6. Months. When is fall in America?
It is in September, October, November, and December.
Oh, how that is spring in New Zealand.
When is fall in New Zealand?
It is in March, April, May, and June.
Oh, cool.
So, when is summer in America?
It is from June, July, August, and September.
June to September is winter in New Zealand.
So, when is summer?
Summer is December, January, February, and March.
I want to go to New Zealand then.
Please come. What is your favorite month?
My favorite month is July.
Why do you like July?
Because the weather is hot, and it is my birthday.
Nice. My favorite month is February.
Why? Do you have a birthday in February?
No, but I have no school.
Good reason.
In your country, what month is hot?
July is very hot.
What month is cold?
January is very cold.
What month gets lots rain?
March. It is very wet in March.
What month is cool?
Both April and October have cool weather.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning! Great